I'm going to show you 5 AI that will revolutionize 2025. I'm going to show you some hidden AI, but also some AI that are dominating the AI field. So stay until the end of the video because it could literally change your life. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to stay updated on the latest AI news, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description. The first AI of this video is DeepSeek. DeepSeek is an open source model that is totally free, and you can search on the internet and also use the functionality DeepThink. So here my prompt is provide an overview of the latest breakthrough in AI as of 2024. And here I just clicked on this button, that is the search button. I just put enter, and here DeepSeek is generating his answer. He's actually searching on the web, and as we can see, it found 50 results. He's actually answering us, and he's saying 2024 has been a landmark year for artificial intelligence, marked by significant advancement across various fields, from generative AI and robotics to scientific research and regulatory frameworks. And as we can see, there are many sources with articles that he found, and he used these articles in order to answer. So here I'm going to show you Fluxpon 1 and how to get access to it. So here you need to get on Glyph, and here you have to click on build. You need to click on the plus and put the first one, text input, and then you add another block and you choose the image generator. So here you can choose the different models that you want. So for example, we want the Flux Pro V1.1, and for the image size, you can decide whatever you want. So here, the image is done. We put as a prompt a lion in New York City, and we can see that the lion is very well detailed, that is really realistic. And in the background, we can see a city that looks like New York City. And here, I just put for the prompt an oasis in the desert. So here we can see that the result is simply astonishing. We have the view, we have the water here. So I would advise you, for every project that you have and that you want to create an image, use this tool. So now we're going on Grok. Grok is the AI of Twitter, and before you had to pay for it, but now it's free. And we also have the new model, Grok 2. So Grok 2 can do whatever you want. You can generate text, generate images, and it's really useful when you have to create an image and sometimes ChatGPT can't because of some restriction. So here, if I put the prompt, create an image of Elon Musk looking at Mars, and here he's going to create images, while we're going to see that in a few minutes that ChatGPT just can't. So here we have different images that are of really good quality with a different style. Now if I put the exact same prompt, create the image of Elon Musk looking at Mars, and he says, I wasn't able to generate the image requested because it involved depicting a recognizable individual, which doesn't comply with our content policy. So here we can see that Grok 2 can be beneficial if you need to create images. And also what's really interesting is that if you ask a question to Grok, it can use the information that it has on X. So it's an amazing database that will allow different answers, different perspectives that Grok 2 will give you. I said, what is AI? And I also added, use the informations on X. So here we can see that Grok has answered, and he used some web pages, 8 of them, and also 11 posts from X. So now we are on the fourth AI of this video, ChatGPT. So everyone knows ChatGPT, it's the major AI. So here, as you know, there is the vocal feature, you have the Canva tools, you have the different models, etc., the research web. So it's also very good for reasoning. If I use the O1 model and I said, if a train leaves station A at 9 a.m., traveling at 60 kilometers an hour, and another leaves station B at 10 a.m., 80 kilometers an hour, when will they meet? So the O1 model is actually thinking. And so this is really interesting, how an AI can answer a problem like that. So here I just asked ChatGPT to create an image of Earth, and here we can see that the image is of really good quality, even though it's less than Flux.1 that I showed you before. And what is also really interesting with ChatGPT is that if you click on the image, you can use this tool that select. If you take a section such as the space around Earth, and then here we can see that it says edit, and so you can change and put another background or make slight changes directly on the image instead of creating another one. And so this is really interesting, for your image creation too. So here I just asked ChatGPT to create a code to build Tetris in Python. And so here it's actually creating it. I personally have no skills in code. And so here we can see that it's creating everything. And I can simply copy that and paste it, and we will see the results in a second. So here we can see that the code actually works. And finally, the last AI is Bolt. So Bolt is mainly used to create app. He just created this page from scratch, and so this is very amazing. You can follow up with Bolt in order to create the best app. So we are now at the end of the video. I showed you 5 AI that you can use for your everyday life, and they will completely change your life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to subscribe to our newsletter in order to stay updated on the latest AI news. The link is in the description. This was AI Ship. See you in the next video.